What's up, guys? We are here at Audio City, USA. We're going to meet up with Anthony. He's going to give us an in-depth look at their facility and why Audio City is one of our best dealers. So let's check it out.
What's up, Rich?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good
to see you.
Glad you guys can make it from Texas.
Yeah, let us see what we got going on in here.
Yeah, let me show you guys around. This is our showroom, guys. So we got some of the Ferrada wheels right here. We got some of the CM and the FR series here, and we got the new FR series over here.
All right, so yeah, I see y'all have our FR9, one of our newest designs, already on display here.
Yeah. I'm in love with this design. My favorite mesh, and we've actually put them on a couple cars already. We did a Lamborghini Huracan.
Yep.
We did a Mercedes E-Class,
yep,
and we just did a BMW M4. We do have our sales team here. We have 11 dedicated sales reps helping customers get their orders in with Ferrada or any like fitment questions. So we have guys with over 18 years of experience here. So very knowledgeable. If you have any questions from Ferrada Wheels, definitely we got you guys covered. So if it's a wheel and tire package, and if you're ordering wheels and tires, it'll come through here sometimes or through the other warehouse. Most likely it's going to be in the other one. This is more of our local setup right here for our walk-in customers. But if you're doing like an online order to shipping out of state, we have a different section over there I can show you too.
So this is like storage for tires?
Yeah, correct. So we stock our tires here. We have some more racks over there, but yeah, this one it's to make it easier for our installers to find tires.
Makes sense.
It's just much easier. That way they don't have to climb up and do something. They can just find the tire by size.
Yeah, and saving space. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So this is what I was really excited to show or to see from Audio City USA. We just launched our blank program at SEMA, and Anthony's going to kind of tell you how we take advantage of that.
Yeah, so we've already got a couple sets from Ferrada Blank, and honestly it's great because there's some complicated applications that their stuff is really aggressive on the offsets because of the concave, right? So on complicated applications, now we can accommodate those really high offsets, and we can get them blank and drill them and make it work. So it's great that they're implementing the blank wheels because we have our own CNC machines and our turnaround time is fast. Yep. So we can drill, shave, open bore, literally in about 2 hours have everything ready to go. So
custom fitments.
Yeah, so it's a good thing that we have it, and I'm glad that Ferrada implemented that for this year. Our newly studio room, we're just barely starting and launching it this week.
Cool. And so y'all are going to be doing podcasts, right?
Yeah, we're gonna launch a YouTube podcast with Andy, and this is basically his room and our Wheel Wednesday room. All of our information, infomercials, like all that stuff is going to be filmed here now.
Yeah, and that is one thing with Audio City USA that we definitely, obviously they're one of our best dealers and they sell wheels and they sell a lot, but y'all are also really connected to the community out here. I know there's a car meet this Saturday and we came out last year. Y'all just always bring so much heat, so it's really cool to see y'all so connected.
We try to get everyone involved. You know, it's been a ride, honestly. I've been with Audio City USA for 14 years. I do remember when Mike from Ferrada reached out to us. Honestly, I saw the wheels, I was like, I think these are gonna do good. But it was a new company. I didn't know what to think about it, and once we got some of the wheels coming in, the quality was there. We were excited about the concave. It was like one of the first cast wheels with that much concave in the industry. This was back in, I think, 2015 when you guys launched, and honest to this day, I'm really happy that you guys did that because it made a movement in the industry, and everybody's on it and loves it. And honestly, just the FR2 it still sells, man, and it's one of the first wheels. As a matter of fact, the first wheels that launched in 2015, and it's still blowing up. Ferrada, I think, is going to continue to grow. Matter of fact, I know they will because they keep moving, innovating different things in the industry, and that's why we work with Ferrada Wheels because of that.
Definitely, yeah. And most people see us and they're like, "Oh, we sell wheels," but it's definitely, we've built a family with our dealers, with our clients, our customers. So yeah, it's been awesome. We appreciate you giving us a tour of the facility, and looking forward to this Saturday.
For sure, this Saturday's gonna be heat, man. We're gonna have a good time.
Yeah. So now we're gonna show B-roll of the show and how sick it was.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should live. I see the bigger picture, and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I hit it like me. I might crash, cause good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, know where I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.